Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to mark all emails as read in Gmail. So I'll go ahead and open up my Gmail account. Let me choose this Gmail right here, and then I'll come here and click on Gmail. So this will open up on my Gmail, right, in Google Workspace. All right, so if you want to mark everything as read, this is all you do. First, you come here and click on this. So you're selecting using filter, and then we will select everything that we have not read before. So all the unread emails have been selected right here, as you can see. And then all you need to do is come up here and you want to click on this option that says mark as read. So I'll click on this, and as you can see, all the emails have now been marked as read. And it's really that easy and simple.